Want to let people vote directly inside WhatsApp? Here's how to create a poll in seconds. First, open the WhatsApp app. This works in both group chats and private chats. Now, open the chat where you want to create the poll. Tap the attachment icon, the plus or paperclip. From the menu, select Poll. Type your question at the top. Now add your answer options. You can add multiple choices if you want. At the bottom, you'll see an option for multiple answers. Turn it on if you want people to select more than one option, or keep it off for a single choice poll. Tap Send and your poll is live. Everyone in the chat can now vote. You can tap View Votes to see who voted for what. And that's it. Polls made easy in WhatsApp. Follow and subscribe for more WhatsApp features and tips.